Sir Chief, hindi kita makontak. Text mo ako, ha? Sir Chief, galit ka ba? Sir Chief, hinihintay ko ang tawag mo. Sir Chief? Sir Chief?
I'm sorry, hindi kita naabutan kanina.
Okay lang, Sir Chief. Kamusta si Luke?
Not so good.
Oh, my G, kuya. Now you're not only basagulero, you're lasenggo pa.
Mag-iisip ako ng bagong joke. It's going to be so funny, makakalimutan ni Luke si Joey.
Pagdating sa ganyan, ako ang valedictorian.
You wanna make a bet?
Oh, sige.
Tomorrow night?
Tomorrow night.
Kasama si na Luke.
Kasama si na Luke.
Over dinner.
Sige, Sir Chief.
Good night.
Good night.
I love you.
I love you.